Hi everybody, welcome to this episode of the Health Channel. Today I want to talk about a seed that you might use every day. Stay with me to talk about barley. Barley, a member of the grass family, is a major cereal grain grown in temperate climates globally. One of the first cultivated grains, it was domesticated in the fertile crescent around 9000 BC, giving it non-shattering spikelets and making it much easier to harvest. Its use then spread throughout Eurasia by 2000 BC. Barley prefers relatively low temperatures and well-drained soil to grow. It is relatively tolerant of drought and soil salinity, but it less winter hardy than wheat or rye. In 2023, barley was fourth among grains in quantity produced, 146 million tons, behind maize, rice, and wheat. Globally, 70% of barley production is used as animal feed, while 30% is used as a source of fermentable material for beer, or further distilled into whiskey and as a component of various foods. It is used in soups and stews and in barley bread of various cultures. Barley grains are commonly made into malt using a traditional and ancient method of preparation. Barley is a cereal, a member of the grass family with edible grains. Its flowers are clusters of spikelets arranged in a distinctive herringbone pattern. Each spikelet has a long, thin awn, about 6.3 inches long, making the ears look tufted. The spikelets are in clusters of 3. In 2023, world production of barley was 146 million tons, led by Russia, accounting for 14% of the world total. Australia, France, and Germany were secondary producers. Barley is a crop that prefers relatively low temperatures, 15 to 20 degrees centigrade in the growing season. It is grown around the world in temperate areas. It grows best in well-drained soil in full sunshine. In the tropics and subtropics, it is grown for food and straw in South Asia, North and East Africa, and in the Andes of South America. In dry regions, it requires irrigation. Covered barley is eaten after removing the inedible fibrous outer husk or hull. Once removed, it is called dehulled barley. Cooked barley is 69% water, 28% carbohydrates, 2% protein, and 0.5% fat in a 100 gram reference serving. Cooked barley provides 515 kilojoules or 123 kilocalories of food energy and is a good source of essential nutrients including dietary fiber and B vitamin, niacin, and dietary minerals including iron and manganese. Consuming breakfast cereal containing barley over weeks to months improves cholesterol levels and glucose regulation. Barley contains gluten, which make it an unsuitable grain for consumption by people with gluten-related disorders, such as celiac disease sufferers. Barley, made into malt, is a key ingredient in beer and whiskey production. True raw barley is traditionally used in German and English beers, but both varieties are in common usage now. Some benefits of consuming barley. Number 1. Lowers cholesterol and helps in weight loss. Regular consumption of barley can help stabilize blood pressure and lower high cholesterol levels in the blood. Barley is rich in soluble fiber, a type of fiber that is helpful in reducing LDL in the blood. This plant has essential vitamins and minerals. It is also rich in fiber and protein and is very low in fat, cholesterol, and sugar. These properties make barley an ideal weight loss agent. Drinking barley beer has recently become a very popular way to burn calories. It can be easily prepared and consumed about 2 to 3 glasses every day to speed up your metabolism and burn more calories. When mixed with lemon and honey, barley beer becomes a great alternative to high-calorie drinks with high sugar. Number 2, it strengthens the immune system and improves digestion. Barleys contain beta-glucan, a type of fiber that is rich in antioxidants. It also contains large amounts of vitamin C, a nutrient that strengthens the immune system. Regular consumption of barleys also helps accelerate wound healing and protects the body against colds and flu. Along with antibiotics, barley helps enhance the function and effectiveness of medicine. The fiber in barley and its bran facilitates the movement of food through the intestines and its exit from the body, thereby preventing constipation. Preventing constipation also prevents the occurrence of hemorrhoids, diverticulitis, fissures, fistulas, colon cancer, stomach tissue ruptures, and gastrointestinal infections. Barley bran is rich in plant fiber, and this fiber, which is mostly cellulose and hemicellulose. Despite the many benefits and properties of barley, its consumption may cause side effects in some people and under certain conditions. Allergy symptoms can include itching, swelling, skin rashes, breathing problems, and in severe cases, anaphylaxis. If a person is allergic to other grains such as wheat, they are likely to react to barley as well. Excessive consumption of barley due to its high fiber content may cause digestive problems such as bloating, gas, stomach pain, and diarrhea in some people. Barley contains gluten, and for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, consuming barley can cause serious problems. Excessive consumption of barley and its products can lead to problems such as nutrient imbalances in the body. For example, consuming too much fiber without enough water can lead to constipation. It is important to balance the consumption of barley and combine it with other foods. At the end of this video, it is an honor to be with you. For more information about other fruits and vegetables, follow other videos of this channel. If this information was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about barley, ask in the comment section. Your health is our wish. Have a nice day.